guys, welcome back to my channel. Thanks for stopping by. If you are new to my channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button and join the family. And if you're a returning subscriber, you know the drill. So guys, I'm so excited to be bringing you guys this video. This one is a keeper and I'm pretty sure it's going to help a lot of you guys out there. I am bringing this video today and it's brought by HelloAva. So HelloAva, if you guys haven't heard about them, they've been on Forbes and all of that stuff. It's not just a regular skincare brand. If you haven't heard about them, they are a brand that basically personally picks skincare products based on your specific skincare needs, your skincare type, am I saying skincare type? Your skin type, your concerns and your goals and everything like that. They get very personal with you and they help you step by step choose the right products for your skin. It honestly is a really fast process and very helpful. They not only have licensed dermatologists and advisors that help you out, but you don't have to go to the store and keep buying different products that you have no idea if they're gonna work. You like this product, oh, let me try it on my face, go through trial and error on your face all the time. You don't need to do that anymore. This company literally does all of that for you. This brand is honestly a game changer. It honestly saves time. It saves your efforts because they literally do everything for you. They do all the research, they do the quiz. Like, you know, you don't really gotta do anything but answer a few questions and then the products show up at your house. So I'm super excited to show you this. I can't even talk. I'm just that excited to share this with you guys, and I hope this helps you guys out. So before I get started, I just want to let you guys know that you can get 30% off your first box and free shipping with code Sherrese30. I'll put it in the description box below. So in this video, I'm basically going to be breaking it down. I'm going to show you the process that I had to go through, my experience with the products, what I actually got in the box, what my skin type is in case you guys have similar skin types and you're just like me, basically, and pretty much all that jazz. So make sure you stay tuned and let's get right into the video.
So one of the things that really drew me in with this brand is their website. Their website is designed so creatively, down to their graphics, their colors, their layout. It really stood out to me from a lot of other brands. Once you scroll down, they literally show you step by step what happens. So at both the beginning and end of the page, you will see where it says Start Quiz. You're going to click that. And it's going to bring you to this automated bot type messenger type of thing, which I think is super cool, better than the regular standard boring quizzes that people usually put out there. But it's very exciting to feel like you're talking back to someone in real life, and of course back to their whole design. I love it. So you're just going to answer a few questions. This is where you're going to find out your skin type, and so they're going to ask you questions, for example, your primary skin concerns. My skin concerns was dark spots, acne, clogged pores, dryness around certain areas, oiliness, and as well as sometimes dullness. So you have to choose your regimen. So based on what you need right now currently in your skincare regimen, you could choose to create your own, or you could choose their 3 or 5 step regimen. And then it'll take you straight to the question about budget. Again, it's really personalized to you, so depending on how much you want the product to be around. And what's really good about that is you know that you're getting products that if you do want to keep using, you will be able to afford. You actually get 10% off of product refills. So that means instead of going to the store and buying those exact same brands, if you repurchase from HelloAva, they actually give you an additional 10% off, which is something you wouldn't be able to get just by going into the store. Not only that, but they do price match. Then one of my favorite parts, I don't know why, I just think it's super cool and unique. They ask you if you want to upload a photo of your face currently, of the type of skin you have, just so that the actual dermatologists and advisors can actually take a look at your face and evaluate your face properly. Which I think is pretty cool because then they're not just going off of a general description of your face, but they're getting to see firsthand what your face looks like. Now, if you feel like it's a little weird to upload a photo, of course you don't have to. You could skip that part. After that, you're going to sign into your skin profile and you're going to be given your skin type code, which is right there. Mine is personally CRPW. I have combination skin. It's more resistant so it doesn't get affected easily by trying different products. It's pigmented, which means I have a lot of scarring. I'm a little bit wrinkle prone, although I don't really have wrinkles on my face, but it's very prone to wrinkling, so I should be careful of that when I do get older. So if you scroll down, you'll see your skin summary as well as strengths and weaknesses of your skin type. Overall, after reading this, I actually felt like it was so true to what my skin is actually like, and I'm so surprised I actually got it really accurate. Then at the bottom, you're just gonna click view my recommendations, and that's where you're gonna see all your products that the skin advisor from the quiz as well as the dermatologist has recommended for you. Now, something to really point out is that you could actually go under each category of products and actually swipe through and take a look at different recommended products. So for example, under moisturizer, you'll be able to see what different moisturizers they recommended. If you click on a product, you'll see on the top right hand side, you'll see a rating. So for example, this product, I got a 95 matching score. So they match it based on your results. Of course, you'll be able to see the description and the ingredients as well. And they also summarize it for you on the bottom where it says, why is it good for me? Then the diagram to the left is just going to show you more of a visual so that you'll be able to see what concerns it's actually targeting from a scale of 1 to 10. So from this product, as you can see, it will target my dark spots, my wrinkles, my clogged pores the most, but it won't really target the texture and the fine lines as much. Now, the coolest part about HelloAva is actually the fact that you can text your personal advisor / dermatologist and ask them any questions you want about your skin type, about your whole skin profile, about the recommended products, and get all of the answers. After that, you're just going to check out all the products you want, and it's going to get shipped right to your door. Now, I'm going to show you what I got in the mail once I received it. The first thing I got was this cute little Hello Sherrese personalized card that says, "No beauty shines brighter than that of a good heart." Even though we're all talking about skincare, your heart is what really matters. Then I got my personalized skin regimen card. So this has your skin type on it, as well as your personalized regimen based on your skin type. So this is going to show you how to use the product specifically for you. So you may have the same product as me, but we both won't use it the same exact way. And let me just say, this packaging is so adorable. If anybody knows me, I love pink, and this packaging was just really well done. I'm trying so hard not to rip it. Yeah, that didn't end up happening. And ta-da! This is so cute. So I got a few more goodies in here. The first thing I got was planner stickers. So if you do have a planner, you can stick this in your planner and kind of spice it up a bit and just get you really excited to take care of your skin. Then I got another personalized card. As you can see, this whole brand is all about personalization, which I love, love, love. So I got a personalized note that basically says they hope I enjoy the products. And I got a few samples. I got the Indie Lee sample, which is an eye serum, which is going to help with fatigue and puffy eyes, as well as brightening them. Then I got a daily exfoliating cleanser, which is by Tartar Harper. And then for the main products, so what I went with was a cleanser, a toner, and a moisturizer. Now, I was super excited to try this product out because it's actually very unique. It's the Sunday Riley Martian Mattifying Melting Water Gel Toner. So basically it transforms from a cooling gel to a water toner, which I was super intrigued by. This had a 90 matching score. And for me, this specifically will target my clogged pores as well as balance the excess oils that my skin produces. It's specifically ideal for oily yet dehydrated skin types. So this toner is specifically for oily to acne prone skin, which is exactly what I have. And it's supposed to basically remove oil, tighten the skin, and clear the pores. The second product I got was the 𝗃𝗵𝗶𝗀 Intensive Exfoliating Treatment. This one had an even higher matching score, which was a 95. And what it basically does is it's supposed to help my clogged pores and my dullness. It's supposed to give a very smooth and glowing complexion. And it helps with the appearance of early signs of aging, including fine lines and wrinkles. The next product recommendation that I got was the belif Aqua Bomb Moisturizer. This is a lightweight moisturizer which is going to help balance my oil production while locking in hydration. It contains Lady Mantle, which is actually great for minimizing the pores and removing free radicals from the skin that leads to dryness and premature aging. And in the description, it actually says it's specifically for CRPW skin types. Why they actually call it an aqua bomb is because as soon as the moisturizer goes on your skin, it actually bursts into your pores, apparently. So it's perfect for people who need that kind of balance between hydration and excess oils. And this product has a 91% matching score. Now that's all for my unboxing. Let's wrap that up and get straight into the demo and review. So first I start off with the 𝗵𝗵𝗶𝗀 Intensive Exfoliating Treatment. What you do to prep your face is to just clean your face, wash your face with whatever cleanser you have, and make sure your skin is wet. Then you're just going to take a small little pea-sized amount, and then you're just going to start rubbing it into your skin in circular motions. This treatment actually helps balance the hydration level of the skin without actually over drying it. I've used a lot of exfoliators before and most of them usually dry out your skin and you have to just apply a lot more moisturizer afterwards, but this one, it really does not. It leaves a very nice smooth and leaves your skin feeling very supple and moisturized. You will definitely see results right after you use it just from the texture and the glow of your skin. And I love how it has such natural ingredients in it. It has papaya, pineapple, and pumpkin enzymes. It has rosewood and cinnamon extracts. It has aloe vera, honey, vitamin E, and the list goes on. Now I have to say, beware, this will sting. It does say on the package that it will sting a little bit, but it definitely stings your face. If your skin is a lot more sensitive, keep it on for 1 minute, but the recommended time is 2 minutes. Can you believe that? Just 2 minutes. That's how you know this one is intense. Then you're just gonna rinse your face and wipe it down, and your skin is honestly gonna feel so smooth and rejuvenated. Look at my skin, it is glowing. Then you're just gonna go in with the mattifying toner. Some of the key ingredients is bentonite clay, which absorbs excess oil and shrink the pores. It has cucumber and witch hazel, which cools, tightens, and tones the skin. Now this toner is specifically a mattifying toner, which means it will actually go on and appear as matte rather than shiny. So with most toners you get a shiny finish, but this finish is just a matte finish. Then our last product is going to be a moisturizer. This is the belif Aqua Bomb Moisturizer. It's my first time using this product, but I've actually used belif products in the past and I'm so happy to know that belif products are actually meant for my skin type. The moisturizer is so soft, and as soon as you put it on your face you really do feel like your skin becomes hydrated, and it actually helps my skin not to get so oily throughout the day. It's a very lightweight moisturizer, but it feels really thick in texture. Did I also mention that it makes my skin feel so soft? Oh my gosh. As you can see, my skin is not dull whatsoever. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and found it very useful. If you guys have any questions, don't forget to leave it in the comments below.